Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study political science for CSS. First, meticulously analyze the official CSS political science syllabus. Break down the extensive content into smaller, digestible units. Identify core areas and recurring themes to focus your initial efforts. This strategic approach ensures comprehensive coverage and efficient time management, setting a strong foundation for your preparation journey. Allocate approximately 25% of your initial study time to this crucial step. Next, delve deep into the foundational concepts of political science. This includes understanding key theories, political thought, and international relations. Utilize recommended textbooks and academic journals to build a robust knowledge base. Integrate current events to see how these theories apply in real-world scenarios. Aim to spend at least 2/3 of your study time on conceptual clarity, ensuring you can articulate complex ideas effectively. Effective note-taking is paramount for retention. Develop a system for creating clear, summarized notes that highlight essential points and arguments. Implement active recall methods, like self-quizzing, to test your understanding. Consistent revision, perhaps dedicating 1/4 of your weekly study hours, is crucial for solidifying information and ensuring long-term memory. This approach helps you recall facts and arguments under exam pressure. Finally, rigorous practice is key to success. Solve a significant number of past papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and question types. Focus on improving your essay writing skills, ensuring logical flow and strong arguments. Practice completing full papers within the allocated time, typically 3 hours, to build speed and accuracy. This final stage refines your approach and boosts confidence for the actual examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.